नमस्ते। भारतीय शिक्षण प्रसारक संस्था अंबाजोगाई, स्वातंत्र्यवीर सावरकर शैक्षणिक संकुल बीड तथा स्वातंत्र्यवीर सावरकर वरिष्ठ महाविद्यालय बीड I am Sanjay Kade, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Swatantraveer Savarkar Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bid. Today, I am going to present first unit for BSc third year Computer Science. The name of the paper is Software Engineering. Have a paper number CS015 for the semester 5th. It is for 50 marks theory paper. Now, what are the different contents of unit first? Software and software engineering is the first unit of your first paper. Paper number CA015 have 5 units. Out of them, this is the first unit, software and software engineering. In this unit, we discuss the main points: definition of computer. Next one, its characteristics of computer. First is a definition of software. Next one is the characteristics of software. Third one is the categories of software. Fourth one is software engineering. Actually, it is a main part. What do you mean by software engineering? Next one, fifth one is a software process. What is the actual software process? That may be learned in this period. Next one is a general principles. What are the different general principles about the software engineering and software development? Now, last one we will cover software myths. What are the different software myths? Before that, all of you know handling of mobiles, handling of laptops, handling of computer, that we simply called the PC. So, what do you mean by software? What is the actual definition of software? That may be learned today. So, this keyword software is nothing but the collection of program. Is nothing but the collection of program. And what contain the programs? Program contain the instructions. For example, you know the instructions in mathematics: C is equal to A plus B. The addition of A and B is stored into the C for their proper values, so that every computer have a one software, that may be the application software or system software. For working of a computer, for working of a laptop, so there is a need of one of the software. So simply, software is a collection of programs, and that program contains a set of instructions. And instructions, you know, for example, if you want to input your computer something with the help of different types of commands. Suppose you want to see the date, C colon backslash greater than date, press enter key. Then you display the output date, current date of the system. So this is nothing but the one command, this is nothing but the one instruction that commonly used with the help of software. So instruction, what is software actually? What is the scientific definition? Instructions that tell a computer what to do. That is, tell a computer what to do. Meaning is that what may be the process? What may be the process of working here? Working of the computer here. Software means what? Instruction that tell a computer what to do. Another things about software is nothing but software comprises the entire set of programs, procedures, and the routines associated with the operation of computer system. So this is nothing but the three elements: programs, procedure, and routines. What are the different routines related with or associated with your operation of computer? A set of instruction means what? A set of instruction that directs a computer's hardware. That directs a computer hardwares to perform a task is called a program. To perform a task is called a program, or it is also called simply software program. Now we look next point. So this software is nothing but the basic thing required to handle your computer hardware, and that computer hardware also interact with the instruction with the help of any software. Now we see the characteristics of software. First characteristics in it is a software does not wear out. Software does not wear out. Meaning is that in this characteristics, wear out means what? For example, different things like suppose shoes, like suppose cloth and ornaments. Suppose these are the things, clothes, shoes, or ornaments, to do wear out after some time. But here is one characteristics of software. Software once created never wear out. Software once created never wear out. So that is the main characteristics of the software. It can be used for as long as needed in case of need of any updating. Suppose you want to update, then if you want to need a updating your software, you may do it. Required changes can be made in the same software, and then it can be used further with updated features. So this is nothing but the first feature. Second one is nothing but the software is not manufactured. So that is very important. Software is not manufactured, but it is developed. But it requires the logics. Logic is very important, and generally hardwares are manufactured, but softwares are developed. So that is the second characteristics of the software, meaning is that it does not require any raw material for its development. It required the logic only. Logic is very important for development of a software. Third one is nothing but the usability of the software. What is the usability of software? Simply, software in terms of the user. It is easier. The software is to use for the user, meaning that user can understand the functionality of the software. it is only user for users. Usability of the software, as more number of people will now able to use it, and also due to the age we will use it more willingly. Reusability of the components, another characteristics. Portability of a software, reliability of the software. So these are the different 8 characteristics of the software. Now we look next point, categories of the software. So in that there are 2 major types of the software. First is nothing but the application software, second is nothing but the system software. Now another subtypes are there, programming software, driver software. Suppose application software, you know, MS Excel, then Photoshop, Skype are the simple application softwares that technology used with people, that technology used by the people. MS Excel for you can use presenting and analyzing data. Suppose you want to prepare the data, if you want to sort the data, if you want to filter the data as you want, what may be your specific task, that is used with the help of application software, C, C++, that are the different programmable software also. Photoshop, Skype. Next ones is nothing but the system software. It is very important. So system software helps the user hardware and application software. Are you know, you use the mobile, so there is a one system, that system is called the Android system. So Android user with mobile system is nothing but the example of system software of the mobile system. Now if you have a knowledge about different system software, the basic system software developed by IBM is nothing but the DIS operating system. DOS is a basic system software. It is a single user operating system. If you have another example, Windows environment is nothing but another system software. So what is the function of system software? System software helps the user hardware and application software to interact and function together. These are this is the main function of the system software. It manages the whole computer system. It manages the whole computer system. It manages the whole hardware. So that is the main function of the operating system. Operating system, you know, desktop computers, laptops computer, tablet. So these are we called the different examples of the operating system. Microsoft Windows, Mac for Apple devices, Linux for example smartphone, Apple iOS, Google's Android and Windows. So that are the different examples of the system software. Now programming software, C, C++. If you have a knowledge about writing a code, then you can use the C and C++ language. That is the software. Now driver software. Driver software means what? Driver software means if you want to connect a printer to your system, and if you want to take a print from printer, and when you connect a printer to the system, then there is a one drivers commonly with available with printer in box. So you use the drivers. So drivers is nothing but, what is the drivers? It is a type of one system software to operate and control the devices, for controlling a printer, for controlling a mouse, for controlling a network card. So that purpose here use the driver software. And so this is the basic types of the operating system software and application software. Now freeware softwares are Google Chrome, Skype, Instagram, Snapchat and Adobe Reader. These are the freeware. These are the shareware, Adobe Photoshops. Open source software, that is the LibreOffice, PHP, GNU. These are we call the LibreOffice. Closed source software, .NET, Java, Android,